Hey guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio, where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. So you have just launched your YouTube channel and wondering how to make an impressive intro for your videos. This video tutorial is just for you. In this video, I'll show you a super free and easy way to create awesome killer intros on your phone or on your computer. And last but not least, without any watermark. The links are given in the description below. So let's get started. First, open the search engine in your device. Then type onemaker.io and hit enter. Once you enter the onemaker.io homepage, click on the logo and intros category on top. There you can find plenty of templates. Select anyone which you like the most or which fits to your project. I am going with this one. Now we are on an editor page where we can change our whole template, like text, images, color, video size, etc. To change text, click here. And I am using replace your tagline. To change font, click here. I am going with the default one. To change color, click on the bucket icon. And for more color, click on the plus icon. To upload the logo, click on upload logo. For more settings, click on Advanced Settings. To upload audio, click on Upload Audio. Select your audio and open. And also you can change the video size from here. Now click on Export and Update Video. Your video is rendering. To make HD, click on Make HD. To edit something, click on Back to Edit. To download low resolution, click on Download Low Resolution. I will make an HD video, so click here. Now, this is our sign up page. You can simply sign up without entering any of your bank or credit card details. Here your HD video rendering is started. To upgrade your plan, click here and select among our yearly, monthly or lifetime subscriptions with nominal rates. Then simply click here to download the HD video. So I have created some other logos and intros. Let's begin with number 5. Let's see number 4. Let's see number 3. Let's see number 2. Now let's see number 1. So that's how to make an intro with Onemaker.io. And if you want some more easy to follow editing tutorial just like this, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time.